of town, Nell Avenue, Speak Road, then enter downtown, and you call it so as we're in the city, you know, Sunday has become a place of activity. Nairobi culture is stepping in town, and TikTok trends are the way to go, so everyone is right inside here doing what they can do the most. Could you talk about yourself a little and what you do?
Like me, I like skateboarding. I have a passion in fashioning. I do I dance. I'm a piano. I do many things because I do things which can make me own my life.
How did you start skating?
Like I've been skating for 2 years from Uganda Skateboard Society.
Oh, okay.
And we are from Kono, but we just came in like skating around the streets of Kampala. So yeah.
How can someone that's interested in skating find you?
Like right now, like a few days back, we have a problem of skate park being demolished.
Oh.
So right now we are skating around the streets like that. We are just trying to keep calm as the fundraising is still going on for our skate park.
Which skate park is that?
Uganda Skateboard Society.
Which skate park?
Like when you're...
The skate park, the particular one. Where you skate from? Down in Mukono?
Yeah, from Kono.
Along near
Ginger
the...
Road.
Oh, I know that
So
one.
we had been skating there. Like for me, I have been skating for 2 years.
Okay, what's your name by the way?
I'm Wandra Arafat.
Andrew Arafat.
My nickname, RSA Shay.
Are you from Marwa?
No, I'm from Busia.
Busia. Oh,
Yeah.
you sounded like someone from West Nile. Okay.
Okay. Like when we stay this side, it sounds difficult.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Thanks.
I'm Gloria. I'm a YouTuber, so if you see yourself famous...
You tell me on...
So right below me is the Kimathi Avenue, which is popular for the seeing some old buildings here that have not the city so beautiful. It's called Dam House. Wow, so nice to see it. The copy shop making printing easy. Seeing a beautiful roundabout here. So this is the Dam House. Look at this beauty. One old structure standing in between two. It's so iconic. So I'm seeing Jubilee House, Hella Foods. So all these places close on Sunday. This is interesting. Kenya Airways, the pride of Africa. The IGG's office, Inspector General of Government. That's if they're really working and dealing with the corruption in this office, in these offices. In this country. The Parliament is right there, and I'm not going to the Parliament Avenue. We have the Impalas, where Kampala City got its beautiful name. So they are sighted in the Dutch Lake Muro National Park. If you want to see the impalas, these are the animals that used to live along Kampala's hills. So with the coming of people in the city, animals had to find their own way out because their natural habitation got interrupted by human beings. So that's about it. I'm seeing the office of the Prime Minister right there. God, Uganda needs to do a job with its structures. Have a lot of renovation that needs to be done because these are buildings that were done under the regime of President Milton Obote, 1966, post-independence Uganda. Raja Chambers, officers, police. If you want a building, there is space available for you. Seeing the Ministry of ICT and National Guidance, NITA. Please, employers, we are suffering in the private sector. If you know anyone who can connect us to the government, please involve me. It smells good in here, and you know, we are close to the food hub where all these aromas are coming from. Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperative, the Public Service Commission. I don't even hear all other ministers anymore because Uganda has so many ministers. We can't even tell who is who and what they do. We just see them being sworn in and that's it. Because this is Uganda. Cafe Park, capital of happiness. It looks beautiful there. And this, you know, I am back to Kampala Road, where all the roads in Uganda almost started from, but I got to discover recently it happened at Amber House, where all the destinations, locations, distances were marked in Kampala city.